So today I got the hood and the right side fender out. They're going to be two different videos. Tonight's video is going to be, as you can tell, the fender. And about tomorrow afternoon sometime I'll have the hood video out for you. In the fender video there's a little tidbit of how to lift the pop-ups without electricity. Very useful for if your motor dies, the electric motor that drives the pop-up up and down. It happens.
I suppose we'll start with the tools. So what you're going to want is penetrating oil so that you can penetrate it, come off a little better. A light is optional, but it could help in certain situations. These two for the clips that hold the plastic inner wheel well onto the fender. This as well for that purpose. That'll screw them out so you can get these on, yada yada. I show you in a video how to do it. This here for the corner light. Ratchets for obvious reasons. An extension for a couple of bolts, most of them. And this 10mm will take care of every bolt that we're going to take out during the course of this video. I got an impact here, also optional, but it's the express route.
So my car doesn't have a plastic rear well cover on the side where we're taking the fender off, but you got these things on the entire circumference of the wheel well to remove.
For the fender, clearly coolant obviously perhaps, these three bolts. There should be a bolt there. I think I know where it is. And one right at the bottom. Definitely hit the crap out of that with WD-40. I've assembled the dream team. We're just gonna give them, oh yeah, that's what I wanted. It's a pretty helpful thing to move that rubber out of the way. This one is at about that angle. Barely clear the door. You gotta try pretty hard not to scratch anything, mind. Okay. Last but not least. Last but most likely to break, eh? Alright, she's turning. Alright, now there's screws behind here, and the way you get to that is to lift the headlight. So to lift the headlight, being that I have no battery or a battery tray, this comes off. 86, 87 just has a little rubber cap. This one has a big old plastic one. That comes off. Usually, if the battery is connected when you do this, you want to pull the fuse out, but there's an arrow which doesn't want to be focused on that shows the rotation. So we're going to turn it. Now the light's up, and you don't have to deal with this screw. There are two slots. Screws are in there. Alright, couldn't do it with one hand, but you want to peel that back. There's a clip there, so you can push down here and it comes out pretty easily, or mine did. Yeah, I'm gonna put this. Alright, now we got this bolt and this bolt. So one last thing I would show you here is this is actually one last screw, but it's also part of the fender.
It's at this point that it became fairly clear that the first bolts you see shouldn't be the first bolts you loosen. Obviously the fender moves a lot less if the last bolt you undo is, say, the middle one in the top, as opposed to a random one at the bottom in the front.
Alright, fender's off. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And look out for the hood video tomorrow. Bracket, 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 bracket.